Hi, welcome to animal-meat.com's DIY project. Today what we'll be making are bird treats. Right here, these are the bird treats. Let's get started. So in a big bowl, we're going to add the all-purpose white flour. And remember that is 3/4 cup. We're going to add the syrup to it, the corn syrup, and the water. And this is 1/2 cup of water. And then in this, we will mix until it's all together. This is what it looks like. Okay. And then we're going to add the 4 cups of bird food into this. This cup only goes up to two cups. That's about good. Okay. So now I'm gonna get this and pour it in here a little at a time. Then mix it in. Go. It's coming together much more. Okay, so that was just 2 cups, so we need to add 2 more cups of finch food. And that is good. And now the last of it. Okay, so here's the completed mix. I'll get one first and then line it with the wax paper. There we go, much better. Okay, so I take a little at a time and do the easiest one. The heart, the biggest heart. So like that. Okay, and then we push it in. Pretty sticky. I say you press with one hand and then with the other hand you hold it down. I'm going to get a straw. And then you're going to poke a hole. Like around the top or wherever you like. But make sure it's not really close to the corners, because then it could easily break when you're tying the string onto there. There. Okay, that's good. Zoomed in so you guys could see better. I found my Halloween edition cookie cutters. Okay, got the seeds. Pouring in them in there. Get these pieces. Okay. And I'm just pressing down. Okay, so I left these drying overnight. And I already took off the cookies, the cookie cutters. Pretty much all I did was just pop them out. Like this. And it came out like that. They're pretty hard. Okay, Okay, so now that they are dry, here are the ones. This one's the pumpkin. We are going to get our string and a toothpick, and we are going to get the toothpick and pretty much just stab through it like that so it fits on there. And then we're going to get the hole. We're going to put this through the hole, the string. Try to. Okay, and then the string pops out there. Then we can hang it like so. I have a star one right here. Okay. I'm going to open it. It's really hard, sort of hard. It's like squishy in the middle. And that's what it looks like. Okay, so now just gonna record a little and see if the lovebirds my parakeets have no interest in the tree yet, and my cockatoos have no interest in my tree as well, and my finches, I put one down here and one on the side, and they've been eating some of it. Put some on the side right here. Then put some on the